Welcome to Lip Masters 2. It's different to other courses. This course is designed to deliver real outcomes for your practice. The purpose is to upgrade your understanding to an expert level through detailed explanations of key concepts in anatomy, product science, techniques and complications. You should see 3 important impacts on your practice. Firstly, I want you to learn how to consult your patients in a way that makes them rapidly see you as an expert, capable of giving them the expert guidance they crave. You should see a surge in your skills of treatment design, product choice and technique, enabling you to deliver the result they need with the fewest side effects possible. You should develop a deep understanding of the anatomy and the interaction of the structures of the lower face with different dermal fillers. This will take you way beyond the one filler, one technique approach and help you become a master of choosing the best combinations of techniques and products to get the results your clients really want. I will reveal the actual practical steps you can take to ethically increase income for your business through building trust, your range of services and your expertise. The biggest difference with Lip Masters is that the videos and training materials in this course are not the most important features. As part of the package, you can join other trainees on a closed Facebook group for further support and mentoring. I use this network to improve the course you have already purchased, allowing the course you bought to be upgraded around your needs. In Lip Masters 2.0, we have significantly upgraded the program thanks to the ideas of the first cohort of delegates. I'm now thrilled to include 6 more modules, including complication management of lumps in lips, and emergency reversal protocol videos, including a real-life case study, as well as stages of the consultation and use of the golden mean calipers. All of this content and future upgrades are yours to keep forever. This is not one of those courses that gets taken away from you after a year. It's yours and it keeps getting better. This is why everyone who takes this course will also be invited to a secret Facebook group for a period of coaching. I want to make sure that you can execute on what you've learned and thrive in 2018. I will be looking for ways to make this course better every year. So let's take a detailed look at what is covered in Lip Masters 2. Broadly, the course covers 4 key domains: scientific theory, the latest practical techniques, consultation skills, and complication management. It also touches on marketing and business strategy along the way. In detail, part 1 is about the mindset in the consultation and how this becomes your competitive edge when you realize what clients really want. I cover key ways you should understand the market to help you clarify in your mind your business strategy and inform your marketing and content and consultation skills. To be an expert, you must understand the science of beauty. So we cover the rules, ratios and details that make up beauty and how to explain this to your clients to skyrocket the trust that they have in you. The consultation and consent process is covered, as well as new and detailed breakdown of the stages of the consultation to make it clearer in your mind how to connect and communicate in a highly effective way with clients. Of course, the core of this course is the technique section. Here I share 6 different procedures and analyze how they are different and how can be selected to achieve specific results. In each case, we look at how to reduce trauma and the risk of complications. You'll enjoy a close-up look at the modified tensing procedure, mixing products for the best possible results, and a detailed look at restoration, beautification, augmentation, and external rotation of the red lip, as well as restoration of the white lip using several techniques. All are close-up videos with animated explanations to help you really visualize what's going on. In the complications section, I am pleased to include a video detailing the key contents of an emergency reversal kit that you should keep in your clinic. We include 2 case studies where an elective reversal was carried out and video footage of how to prepare and execute a reversal. I'm now very happy to include a very important and detailed instructional video on how to diagnose the presence and the scale of impending necrosis caused by vascular occlusion, so that you can more confidently either reassure and discharge or plan an emergency reversal procedure yourself. Of course, we then go on to demonstrate the detailed steps of an emergency reversal, so you can see how the protocol is executed and pick up practical steps on how to reduce anxiety and medical legal risk in this high-stress situation. I'm also able to share rare video footage of a real vascular occlusion that I saw and treated in my own clinic, so you can live through a real scenario and see what needs to be done to keep patients safe. As well as vascular emergencies, I'm also pleased to be able to include 3 lectures on how to interrogate, understand and treat lumps in lips, one of the most anxiety-producing areas for practitioners, including precise tips on when to wait, when to reassure and when to actively treat your patient. At the end of this process, you can test your knowledge and validate your learning through a quiz which will ensure you understand things properly. Overall, I think you will find this course dramatically improves your knowledge, confidence and skill and provides all you need to make a step change in the development of your business and your clinical skills. You also have the continuing reassurance of ongoing support and free future upgrades. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you on the other side.